Hi, I'm Lisa McClellan. I am overjoyed to share with you my new partnership with Faith Mortgage, LLC. With this new venture, I will be working underneath the name of 360 Lending. Together with over 32 years combined experience and our dedication to help our clients, we have proven to be one of the top choices when it comes to your mortgage options. You won't find another group of individuals that will go above and beyond to work for you. Our strong team operates with integrity, honesty, and the highest level of professionalism. Presently, we are licensed in the entire state of Alabama, and our future plans are to expand to surrounding states. If you plan to purchase your first home, whether it's a newer home, a second home, or investment property, you will be glad you put your faith in us. Our staff doesn't expect you to know everything there is about mortgages. That's our job. The first concern of most home buyers is how much am I going to be required to put down? And secondly, what is my payment going to be? I'm here to educate you about each step during the process. Once you apply, I'll hold your hand through the entire process. So call us today at 360 Lending, 205-655-7250, or connect with us at my360lending.com. Thank you.